can't wear
He
that.
can wear it.
Asking
Why?
you nicely.
He can definitely
Stop
fucking
it.
wear
You
that.
go all these fucked up outfits. He is not.
That's
My
his
husband is
Guys, I
not
really
going
wanna
out
wear
like that.
It's his party.
Fuck you. It's a family party. It's not right.
And who are y'all? Come outside. Yeah, come outside. I'm not coming outside. You little house cat, come outside. Yeah, and bring some of that salmon you be eating too. I bet you eat some good food in there. What it tastes like? Yeah, what it tastes like. Hey, you already know what it tastes like. Bet me up. Tastes like candy. Sweet like fruit. Wet like water. Can I love on you? He don't know nothing about that street cat life. Yeah, do you even know how to clean yourself? He don't know nothing about that leg lift and lick. Yes, I do. We don't do no catnip out here, bitch. Let me outside, mom. We will tear you up. Meow. Who is that? Oh, that's Big Mew Mew. Mew Mew, you gonna put the paws on him? Meow. He don't know how to meow right, so he said meow. Meow. Don't put the paws on him, Mew Mew. Meow. Don't do it, Mew Mew. Meow. Don't do it, Mew Mew. Meow. That's animal control. The feds. Y'all, we gotta go. Y'all run, go.
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Dude, there's a guy out there threatening people with butt plugs.
What's he planning on doing with a butt plug?
No, he's threatening people with butt plugs.
Yeah, I don't know about you, but a butt plug wouldn't be my ideal weapon choice.
No! He's threatening people who are in possession of a butt plug.
I'm sorry, what? Hey. Either of you wearing a butt plug?
No, not me, mate.
No?
No.
No? No. Stand up. Why?
Stand up. Okay. Standing up.
Oh, bro.
Holy Jesus. What is that? What the fuck is that? What is it?
I think I found something, guys. What is it? What? Oh my God, it's in the ground. Moly, 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 moly. Hey, moly.
You turned me into a llama!
What? No, I did not.
Yes, and then you kidnapped me!
Why would I kidnap a llama?
I have no idea. You're the criminal mastermind, not me.
What?
Now look at this.
No, where's my son? Where's my son? Oh no, where's my son? Oh my goodness. He's in the bathroom. I don't know where my son was. Oh my goodness. Where's my son? Oh my goodness, where's my son? Oh, sir, can you please? Where's my son? Please let me find my son. Oh my God, I can't do this. I can't do this. I can't do this all day. Where's this clothes? Where's this clothes? Oh my goodness, oh no, come on, we go. We gotta go. Oh shit. We gotta go. We gotta go.
Bro actually spent 3 months just to look like Quagmire in the end, like, giggity giggity goo. Alright.
Don't move a fucking muscle. Oh shit. He's going in Elmo's asshole. And there he goes, I fucking called it. There, Elmo? Elmo, I know you're tired, but do you feel that spider in your ass? How does that happen?
Happens all the time.